Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular kitchen appliances, air fryers and Instant Pot Vortex. We'll dive into the features and functionalities of each to help you decide which one is right for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product comparisons like this. When it comes to price, the air fryer is priced at $122, while the Instant Pot Vortex is available for $59. Both options offer great value for money, but if you're on a budget, the Instant Pot Vortex might be the more affordable choice. In terms of functionality, the air fryer is equipped with Zucca material and a foil moist compartment, making it a versatile option for various cooking needs. On the other hand, the Instant Pot Vortex offers 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, and reheat in a single appliance. It also features even crisp technology for that perfect golden finish. The Instant Pot Vortex takes the lead when it comes to customizable programs. With one-touch smart programs, you can easily prepare wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. This feature gives you greater convenience and flexibility in your cooking. When it comes to preheating time, the Instant Pot Vortex requires little to no preheating time. It can go from frozen to golden in just minutes, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The air fryer, unfortunately, does not specify its preheating time. Both products offer easy cleanup options. The air fryer features non-stick and dishwasher-safe components, ensuring hassle-free cleaning. Similarly, the Instant Pot Vortex comes with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, making cleanup a breeze. When it comes to versatility, the Instant Pot Vortex offers a wider temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees F, allowing you to create gourmet meals with precision. Additionally, its compact design with a pop of color makes it a stylish and countertop-friendly addition to any kitchen. The air fryer's size and style information are not provided. There you have it, our comparison of air fryers and Instant Pot Vortex. Both products have their unique features and benefits, so it's important to consider your specific cooking needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!